Okay class, for your final requirements in oral communication, I want you to have a debate on what is more appropriate to use, if it's prose style or formal style. For those who use formal style, you can go at the left side, and for those prose style, you can be at the right side. Now, who wants to come first? Prose style is better than the other speech style.
I refute to that statement, since prose style is also called a fake speech, meaning to say you cannot change it. Furthermore, how can you interact with other people if you cannot receive any feedback from them?
Prose style is good because you can say something to many people.
And also, prose style is good because you don't have to memorize the words.
In my opinion, formal speech is much better than prose style. It is more suitable to use in meetings and other gatherings, unlike the prose style that you have to be always professional.
Okay class, you did a better performance. Class dismissed.